Why can we crash to 12,000?
So if I'll show in the article itself, they're speaking in terms of the fractals and what's occurred in the past in terms of trades and how this is going to show up today. But us internally at MetaFi, we've been working with this chart on the monthly. Of course, we have the weekly and all the other, but today, just today, we're going to look at the monthly. It's extremely important to understand this. So what you'll see, the mouse kind of loses itself. So my apologies. I'll get a fatter mouse next time. But if you look at the market top,
the hell are you going to find that?
It's in the settings, Tam.
Yeah.
Is that what she told you?
Charts.
So if you look at the monthly closing of the last bull run, the bodies of the candles. So these little lines going up and down, those are the wicks. They're shadows. But what matters are the bodies of the candles when you look at it, especially on the monthly time scale. So the bottom, how we identified the 13.8, let me zoom in. I don't know if it zooms in the numbers. No, it does not. So it's 13,888 more or less on this chart where Bitcoin, the previous candle was. When we did the run up, we had one single fat candle on the way up. So the top of it coincides with the top of the wick of the previous bull market. Well, guess what just happened when we were coming back down? We tested that as support, crossed the 50 monthly moving average, whipped back up, meaning there is no confirmation that we closed below it because we whipped right above it last month. This month in August, we're whipping right back down below it. So in other words, it's a whipsaw of what's going on. What's extremely important to notice here at this moment, today, the monthly candle closes at midnight UTC, which is 7 Eastern tonight. If this candle closes below the 50 moving average, you could say we are not confirmed, but now we could look at the 50 moving average, that green line, as resistance to go back up. If it tests as and confirms as resistance, we only have one fat candle on the way down. Where does that fat candle and the top of the previous candle lie? The horizontal, the monthly horizontal lies at 13,888. The 89 moving average is coming up there and almost settling. So you have two floors where the price can come and test as support. So you should see, and that ranges from 13.8 down to the 12,000. I even have buys just below it, just in case we wick down there further below. But this is the range September. We should see action related to this in September. So that's why it is possible to come down.